Alright, we have the compressor here in the sound room. We have the inlet, which is stationed here, and the outlet stationed here. Those are plumed to the outside. We're going to close the door here and turn this on. So you can hear the unit running right there. And then we have here a sound meter, and you can see that that's reading about 60 dBA. Currently we're operating at around 1670 RPM, so this is about 300 RPM short of what we would design the prototype to operate at. So it would be a little bit louder than this, but this is pretty close.